Hello students, and welcome to your first session of Environmental Studies Part 1. Today we are going to see our first lesson in Environmental Studies. Okay students, let us start with our first lesson. The name of the lesson is Lesson number 1, our Earth and our solar system. Okay, all of you know what is our solar system? Yes, Earth is a planet. Earth is a planet. Earth revolves around the sun with satellite. Okay, what do you mean by satellite? Yes, the heavenly body which revolves around the planet are called satellite. Okay, the solar system have different planets. All of you know. Can you name them? There are 7 planets around the sun. They are, yes, you can repeat after me. Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay, you can see the solar system on page number 2. Okay, this is our solar system. Okay, this is the diagram of our solar system, and also the Earth satellite is been shown here. Okay, this is Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth. Earth is having the satellite. Okay, this is the satellite of Earth. Moon, Mars and some small planets, they are called asteroids. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and some dwarf planets are also there. Okay, Pluto is a dwarf planet. Let us start with the lesson. I hope you have understood about what we are going to study today. Our Earth and our solar system. Have a pencil in your hand. When we look up from the open ground, we see the sky. In a clear night sky, we can see many stars. In clear night, we can see many stars in the sky. They are very far away from Earth, isn't it? Are they near? No, they are very far. Some stars are prominent. Prominent means easily visible. Okay, while some are tiny and faint. और कुछ उसमें से बहुत छोटे और फेंट होते जो हम लोग नजर नहीं आते. If we look at them carefully, we find that many of them twinkle, but some do not. अगर हम ध्यान से देखो तो कुछ ट्विंकल होते हुए नजर आते हैं और कुछ नहीं होते हैं. The sun and the moon are comparatively close to the earth, so we can see their round shape clearly. The sun, the moon, the stars, the planets, etc. are all known as heavenly bodies. Underline this. From here to here you have to underline. The sun, the moon, the stars, the planets. Okay. All these are called heavenly bodies. Okay. Now see here, one activity has been given here. Try this. Observe the sky on 2 clear nights, keeping a gap of about a week between them. Base your observation on the following points. The brightness of the heavenly bodies, whether they twinkle, their color and size, changes in their position. Okay. What you have to do, you have to observe the sky of 2 nights, keeping a gap of a week. Okay, and what you have to do in the observation, what you will see, the brightness of the heavenly bodies, you will see how it is, whether they twinkle or not, their color and size if you can see. Okay, and the changes in their position. On both nights, draw a picture of the illuminated portion of the moon and note how it change from day to day. Okay, on both the nights, ओके, दोनों भी नाइट्स में आप लोगों को क्या ड्रॉ करना है? इल्यूमिनेटेड। इल्यूमिनेटेड मीन्स चमकने वाला पार्ट जो कि मून का आप देख रहे हो। हर दिन का नहीं देखना है आपको, जिस दिन का हमने 2 दिन के जो ये ऑब्जर्वेशन किया है 1 वीक का गैप रखते हुए, वो आपको यहाँ पर देखना है, ठीक है। नाउ सी हियर स्टार्स। कीप अ पेंसिल इन योर हैंड एंड अंडरलाइन दिस. Stars, the heavenly bodies that twinkle, are called stars. Underline this. Stars have their own light. Stars have their own light. The sun is a star. Underline this. Sun is a star. It is closer to us than any of other stars. Hence it appears big and brilliant. In this bright light, during day, we cannot see other stars. Okay? The sun is a star. All of you know this. But we can see many stars, but they are smaller. Okay? But we see the sun very big. Why is it so? Because it is closer than the other stars. Okay, students? Now we will see next part, that is planets. I hope you have underlined the stars definition here. Already I have told you to underline this and you have to write this in your notebook. Planets. The heavenly bodies that do not twinkle are called planet. Underline this. The heavenly bodies that do not twinkle are called planet. You have to underline this also and you will write in your notebook. Planets do not have light of their own. Planets को अपना खुद का light नहीं होता है. They get light from where? From the stars. They get light from the stars. Planet revolves around the star. Planet revolves around the star. Okay? Like Earth. Earth is a planet. And Earth revolves around the sun. That's why we get light. Even as they rotate around themselves, they revolves around the star also. Okay? मतलब Earth खुद को तो rotate करती है and while rotating it also revolves around the sun. The solar system. Now you will see the solar system. Our Earth is a planet. Our Earth is a planet. Underline this. It gets its light from the sun. It moves around the sun. Where it moves? It moves around the sun. Its movement around the sun is called the revolution of the earth. Underline this. जो movement अर्थ की है सन को, उसको रिवॉल्यूशन बोलते हैं. ओके. Besides Earth, there are 7 other planets that revolve around the sun. इसके अलावा और भी 7 planets हैं जो कि सन को रिवॉल्व करते हैं. Which are they? They are Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay. Pluto is a dwarf planet. You can see the photograph of the Earth taken from a man-made satellite. Man-made satellite से अर्थ का जो फोटोग्राफ लिया हुआ है वो हम लोग यहाँ पर देख रहे हैं. You can see how is the Earth. See on your next page. Every planet in the solar system revolves around the sun along a specific path. हर planet अपने सोलर सिस्टम का वो रिवॉल्व करता है सन को एक स्पेसिफिक पाथ में. पाथ मतलब यस, अ स्पेसिफिक लाइन. ओके. एक उसका खुद का रास्ता होता है. जैसे आप ये जो लाइंस देख रहे हो, इससे आप पता, ये दिस इज द पाथ ऑफ द रिवॉल्यूशन ऑफ अ प्लैनेट टू द सन. This path is known as planet's orbit. Underline this. This path is known as planet's orbit. The sun, which is a star, and the planets that revolves around it are together called the solar system. Sun जो कि स्टार है, ओके, एंड जो भी प्लैनेट्स उनको रिवॉल्व कर रहे हैं वो ये सब मिलाकर हम बोलेंगे सोलर सिस्टम। द सन विच इज अ स्टार एंड प्लैनेट दैट रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड द इट आर टुगेदर कॉल्ड द सोलर सिस्टम। Besides the planet, the solar system also include various other heavenly bodies. प्लैनेट्स के अलावा और भी सोलर सिस्टम में ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जिसे हम लोग हेवनली बॉडीज कहते हैं। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, टिल हियर ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड। इन आवर नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विथ आवर नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ दिस सेम लेसन। You have to read the lesson we have completed in this video, and also we have underlined the definitions that you have to write in your notebook, ज्योग्राफी नोटबुक में आपको वो डेफिनेशन लिखने हैं जो हमने अभी अंडरलाइन किए हैं। ओके स्टूडेंट्स।